Okay, thanks a lot for that. So those are the top brass of the banking space. Axis Bank comes out in numbers today. ICICI Bank, Kotak Mahindra Bank, very good set of numbers coming through. But as we were telling you, the stock in focus right now is Yes Bank. So just pull up Yes Bank for you. It's down almost about 10% in pre-opening, at least the last time I checked. Lata's here to give us the latest on that. Lata, over to you.
Well, obviously the AT1 order is what is really pulverizing the stock. Basically, they had written down 8,300 crore of bonds to zero, and that order has been quashed, which means they have to pay back possibly 8,300 or some other amount. And you know what is Yes Bank's profit this quarter? It's 51 crores. So it is a huge blow. But we have to look at why the High Court quashed it. The High Court's reasoning is it's not getting into the details of the rights of the bondholders and vis-a-vis equity and all that. All that they're saying is on March 5th, the Reserve Bank, March 5th, 2020, the Reserve Bank presented the draft reconstruction of Yes Bank because, the bank was in trouble. In that draft, they had said that the AT1 bonds have to be written down to zero. On March 13th, the central government presented the final plan. In that final plan, that clause was not there of writing down. So the court's observing that the administrator did not have the power to write down. Now, obviously, Yes Bank and the Reserve Bank's view would be that you don't need the central government to say, because the administrator and the board of the bank will anyway have the power. The AT1 contract clearly says that if the bank is in trouble, it can be written down to zero. You don't need a special central government backing for it. That would be their argument. Now, at the moment, the expectation is that the RBI also will join Yes Bank in appealing against it, because if you have to pay back, the whole reconstruction of the Yes Bank will go away. Yes Bank will once again be in trouble because they can't pay that much money. So RBI will also join in. There is a very good chance that they will win in the appeal. But until then, I mean, the plight of Yes Bank shareholders is one of grave uncertainty. So this is going to be an overhang on the shares.
Okay, thanks a lot for that. And it is showcasing in terms of the price as well, down almost about 10% odd. Thanks, Lata, for that. We're just counting down to the opening rates. I think in a couple of seconds from now, the Nifty is inching up about 90 odd points. It's definitely going to be a great start to the truncated week. The bulls have their grip tightened on this market, and a lot of stocks. So in pre-opening, if you look at the frontliners, it's Kotak and ICICI Bank that are stealing the show, up about 1 to 1.5%. Tata Motors comes out with numbers later this week. So ahead of that, the stock is up in the green. HDFC Life, on post the commentary of the management, it's trending higher. And then you have a couple of other names like Tech Mahindra and TCS from the technology space that's looking good. So good opening for the market. The first take